This is Madi. She's never gotten up on a wake surf board. She was pretty timid to even try wake surfing. She said that she had tried multiple times in the past and it didn't go well. These are my favorite people to teach and coach. It's amazing to help people be successful. She was even apprehensive of just getting in the water.
I don't like how I can't see anything in the water.
That's okay.
Let's see how she does. As with everyone I teach, I start here on the sun pad on the back of the boat.
On your butt.
This Centurion has a sweet walkthrough, which plays perfect at being the board floating in the water.
This is going to be like it is the board out there.
Okay.
Remember, like we practiced a little bit earlier? Here, your feet are up like this. Okay? Toes to the sky. And then from there, when I pull you, you'll slide your butt to your heels, point your toes down, and stand up.
For me, this serves as the perfect place to teach new riders how to get up on a wake surf board.
Okay? So we're going to practice. I'm going to pull you, so just like that. Let's do it 2 more times, just to get the muscle memory.
Got it.
And then we'll hop in the water.
I can already tell this is going to be a successful experience for Madi because she's not resisting my pull as I pull her up. As I pull, she slides her butt exactly like she's supposed to before she stands up.
Here we go. Just like that. 1 more time.
Repetition just builds muscle memory for when she gets in the water, especially in this cold water.
Yep, just like that. Perfect. Okay, so we'll get in the water, practice a couple more things, and then we'll get you up surfing. It is a little chilly. The plunge is a little bit difficult, and because it's cold, that's why I'm going to practice with you right here again, just to make sure that you got it, right? So whenever you're ready, it's better if you kind of just like slide to your butt on the platform and then get in.
Okay.
Instead of just jumping in, because you'll freak out if you just jump in.
I always try to talk to them in a calming voice to help them as I teach them. Think of the late night DJ voice from Chris Voss.
It's a little chilly. Grab the handle. Just lay on your back. Lay on your back. Just lay on your back. Relax. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to put your feet exactly where I want them. Right here. And right here on the edge, okay? That's where I want them to begin with, okay? Remember, your arms are out, strong and straight, okay? And as I pull, you're gonna do that first step, which is put your heels down. Ready? Push your heels down. See? You got to here. See how you're trying to pull to your chest? Don't pull to your chest. Arms out, strong and straight. And as I pull you, you're gonna slide your butt. Right now, you're trying to stand up. Don't stand up. You slide. You got to get to here.
Okay.
And then you'll get up. That's the slide part, okay? So we're gonna try that again. All right? Remember, toes to the sky. All right, push your heels down, slide your butt. Bam, you get to there and you'll get up, okay? You ready to do it?
Maybe.
Here we go. I'm just gonna float you out to the side and we're gonna go.
As soon as I can tell that everything's clicking in her head and she's ready to get up, I try to get her up as quickly as possible so she doesn't forget any of the steps. For all beginners, I shift the rope over to the side toe point that comes on these Centurion towers. And yes, I agree with JB. This is a game changer.
I do think those cleats up there are a game changer.
I need to get her in the proper orientation relative to the boat. I oftentimes have people do a backstroke just to spin their body in the board until they're in the correct spot.
Too much, too much.
Attempt number 1.
Push your heels
Here
down.
we go.
Push your heels down.
The way she flipped the board up on her feet was perfect.
Okay, you did great. The only thing you did is you tried to stand up a little too quick. So you can wait maybe just like a half a second or a second longer until you actually stand up. You can sit in that squatted position for a while.
Okay.
Okay?
Having her feet in the correct spot on the board is critical, which is why I spend so much time adjusting people's feet on the board. It helps them flip the board up on their feet, and it also gives them good body position once they're up. Attempt number 2. Here we go.
Okay, raise your hands up a little bit. Push your heels down.
She almost had it, but she is still too bent over and she lost her balance easily, mainly because she was bent over.
Here, I'll give you a break from the cold for just a second. Hop on the platform and I'm gonna show you one thing, okay?
Okay. Do I look like a wet rat?
You look good. Okay, so what's happening is as you're going up, you're bending over like this.
Yeah.
But the way to actually stand up, I'm gonna have you do it here, is it'll be like this. Hang on about here, and you stand up this way so that my body's angled backwards. See that? So stand up here, grab on about right there, squat down, let your hands loose a little bit to slide it a little bit more about there, and then you're gonna stand up kind of backwards that way. That's how you stand up. Okay. It's not over the front of the board, it's back like that. Yeah. Okay? Perfect.
I can tell by the mouthful of water.
Let's do it. You got it this time. You having fun?
trying.
Perfect. You're doing a great job. To get the board flip up on your feet and stand up and everything, just stand up exactly like we did right here, where you kind of back a little bit, okay? Perfect.
Give advice along with boosting confidence in that late night DJ voice.
Okay, raise your hands up, push your heels down.
Yeah, right there.
Stand up tall, stand up tall.
Yeah.
Stand up, hey, stand up. Stand up tall, stand up tall.
Everyone, including her, thinks that they have more control when they're bent over. This is a natural response, but this response is wrong. You actually have more control in an athletic stance with your chest up and your knees bent. Now we need to get her feet in the right place without her
Okay,
falling.
your front foot. You need to creep it forward on the board like this. Don't pull, don't pull, don't pull like that, don't pull. Oh.
As she was trying to move her feet, she was pulling on the rope, which unfortunately made her fall.
Once you're up though, what I'm gonna want you to do is you're gonna have to walk your foot like this.
Yeah, squinch my toes.
To about right there, okay? And so all you're gonna do, here, give me your foot. All you're gonna do is put weight on your back foot and then kind of scrunch those toes.
Okay.
And it just lifts your foot up a little bit and you walk it like that, kind of like a worm, all right? Okay. So we'll get you up and then I'll come back and I'll talk to you again of how to do that, okay?
Okay.
Raise your hands up, put your heels down.
Here we go, ready?
Stand up tall.
Attempt number 4. Look at her, getting up no problem now. It always just takes one time, and now it's ingrained into her brain.
Can you scoot over here, Alexis?
We can't start trying to get her to surf without the rope until her feet are in the correct spot on the board.
A little bit more on your front foot. Just a little bit more.
Okay, here we go.
That's pretty good. Okay, with your right hand. Let go with your right hand. Reach that way. No, you're reaching back. Reach that way.
Having her reach over the wave is just a clever way of getting weight over her toes. The wave is starting to push her, and she's keeping her body in a pretty good position.
Put some more weight on your front foot.
There you go. Oh, Maddie.
Okay, reach that. The hand that has the handle, reach it towards the boat. There you go. Okay, let go.
Surfing without the rope on her 4th attempt. Awesome.
Reach, reach, reach. Reach to me. Reach to me. Reach. Woo!
Pretty fun. Woo!
Yeah, what'd you think?
It's tiring.
So one thing that I want to have happen is the board right now, it keeps going out this way.
Yeah, I can feel it.
And what it is you're letting your front foot drift out this way.
Okay.
And you're also opening your chest like this,
Yeah.
which makes the board go that way. So keep your chest to the wave, and you want to make the nose of that board go to the boat.
Okay.
And it'll keep you in the wave more.
Okay.
You're doing a great job. You got your feet in the right spot. And you feel how the wave started to push you?
Yeah.
You surfed without the rope. That's like better than probably 75% of people that try this their first time.
Woo!
That's great.
Now let's see if we can get her to surf even longer.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hold on, it's turning. Do a backstroke with your left hand real quick. Okay, there you go. She's good now.
All right, here we go.
Hands up, put your heels down. Stand up tall.
She popped up
Stand
again.
tall. There you go.
She's already catching up because as soon as she gets up, she already starts adjusting her feet to get them in the correct spot on the board.
A little more on your front foot. All right, let go with that right hand. Reach that way. Make sure the nose of the board's coming here. There you go.
She is starting to truly feel it. She is dancing with the wave and adjusting her body to make sure that she stays in the wave.
Weight on your front
This one's gonna be a good one.
Front foot again. Good. Let go. Front foot. Back foot! Back foot! Now front foot! Now front foot! Back! Back foot hard! Back foot hard! Now front!
She did it, taking somebody from the mentality of, I can't do this, to being successful and wake surfing without the rope in about 15 minutes. That's pretty amazing. Maddie did awesome. If you want to see how my friend Farron did, tap or click the screen here. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.